Hello guys, so yeah, today we are gonna use some automation tools for finding XSS in live websites. Okay, so for that, first we are gonna download Go from GitHub. Okay, we're gonna clone this Go from GitHub first, and then after that we have another one known as KXSS. I think, yeah, it's KXSS. We're gonna download that as well. So clone both. I will make a directory of XSS and CD XSS. Okay, right here I'm gonna get both of them. I'm gonna copy this one and clone it, and I'm gonna copyright this one and get to clone it. Okay, while it's done, okay, it's done. Now let's go to let's go to Go first, and go to CMD right here, and we're gonna install this. Okay, all right. Okay, now we're gonna install this by go build main.go ls. Okay, you have to install the Golang. Okay, Golang from YouTube. Okay, to install it, just come here and say Golang. Golang for, you can say Golang for Golang download, and just download it from right here. Okay, now if I build it, if I go to LSC, there's a man, so I'm gonna sudo move this to bin. I already did it, so I don't need it to do it. Okay, you can name it anything you want, but remember that name, it's gonna be important. Okay, and now same, we're gonna do this with the other thing. Okay, let me ls right here, let me clear that, and cd kxss ls cd. Okay, it's right here, so no cd direct. We're gonna download it by go build man.go. Okay, I think something, oh yeah, go build main.go. Okay, right here, if I ls it, you can see man is right there, so sudo move main to bin, and anything you want to call it. You can call this an XSS, or you can call this a KXSS. Okay, you can call it everything. Okay, but remember, keep the both names different. Okay, we're gonna use that now. So now while using it, after they are done, what we can do is right here is that echo. Okay, echo, and we're going to use test php for it because we don't have access to another live website right there. So we're gonna use this live website, which is basically a vulnerable website for XSS and other things. So now pipe, and here kxss, and here we're gonna say xss. Okay, we're gonna use the kxss, gonna generate messages, and then it's gonna send it to kxss. Okay, so, and that's what we're gonna do, and we can output it in you can output in say test php. I think, if that works, I guess. Yeah, it's gonna output in text php. Okay, now just wait for it, and it's gonna be done. Okay, right here we found something. We found some parameter and filter. So as you can see, is if it says that parameter and filter, because it means that this parameter is basically vulnerable. Like it can be used in this part. Like it can be used right here. Okay, it is vulnerable. So to go right there, let me go right there and show you that it is basically found in XSS right here. Okay, if I go right here, boom, we just XSS, we just found an XSS on the live website. Okay, and if I copy this and paste it, okay, I think okay, but that's it, that's how it is. We can literally change this again, and we will find something again and again. Okay, let me remove that, and if I show you JavaScript, like the basic JavaScript, it is gonna work on this side. Okay, this because it's vulnerable. This one, like these words are basically vulnerable. Like it's not stopping, the web is not stopping this word. So if I see this, see, we got the vulnerable. We can also go for document dot cookie, and we can see the document cookie. There's no document cookie right here. Okay, that's how you do it. That's easy it is. and goodbye. We will meet in next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take care.